This video explains how to buy shares of Aurea SA, a European industrial company listed on Euronext under the ticker AURE.PA. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. Always research and understand the risks before trading. To trade, you'll need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before placing orders. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker AURE.PA to find Aurea SA. Confirm you've selected the correct listing before proceeding. The asset page shows basic company information and a price chart for context. Make sure the company name and AURE.PA ticker match to confirm it's the right stock. To place a buy order, choose Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the order executes, you'll see the position in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform. This is an informational reference only,